Do you spend way too much time manually crunching data and generating charts in an effort to find that proverbial needle in a haystack? Do your efforts to uncover meaningful nuggets of business insights feel like some wild goose chases? Well, if so, you are not alone. Far too many companies today are utilizing decision-making applications that make it frustrating to find meaningful information. Meanwhile, the questions just keep mounting and piling on, which is exactly why we created the Agilitics Generator. A completely different approach that quickly and easily yields actionable, valuable business insights. The Agilitics Generator is a self-service, customizable strategy visualization and insight generation platform that enables you to create personalized business insights right from the start. Now, this approach means you spend more of your time doing real analysis and less time on those wild goose chases. Let's take a closer look at the Agilitics Generator approach versus what the other guys offer. Now, traditional approaches are almost always reactive in nature, time-consuming and labor-intensive. Products like Lumira from SAP, Oracle BI, Cognos from IBM, or any number of other BI products like QlikView or Tableau force you to drill down into the data and produce charts one at a time. Many offerings have some pre-formatted templates included, but customizing these templates is even more tedious than building a report chart by chart. It's no wonder a lot of people pull data from many sources into Excel to build charts and to do analysis. Extra steps and more work with the clock still ticking. The Agilitics Generator, on the other hand, is a personalized approach that instantaneously extracts the type of analyses you need with laser accuracy. With the Agilitics Generator, you don't build charts. There's no clicking and dragging objects onto a canvas or guessing which measure and attribute combinations are required to make a chart. The generator has built-in metrics, which we call constructs. There are thousands of these constructs available and searchable in the generator. This means that entire templates can be instantly created and stored and edited simply by adding a construct to the template. And best of all, you'll never have to write a query or build a chart. Ever again. The Agilitics Generator does it for you, all of which allows you to easily visualize any forecast, scenario, or slice of data with the template you've applied. No IT required. That's what Agilitics is all about. No queries, no chart building, just superior analytic capabilities that lead to improved business decisions. Contact us today for more information. Agilitics. Answers accelerated.